Imagine this, you only have a single username. You don't know their real name, what they look like, or where they are. But today, I'm going to show you how it's possible to scan more than 500 websites using just that username in less than 30 seconds. This isn't hacking. This is OSINT, and it's 100% legal. But I promise you, after watching this video, you will never look at the internet the same way again. OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence. The FBI uses it to trace and track criminals online. Journalists use it to expose corrupt politicians and fraud. And ethical hackers use it to find and secure hidden vulnerabilities. But today, we are learning it for the most important reason, to protect yourself. Because if you don't know where your data is, someone else does. Our first tool is called Sherlock. And just like the famous detective, it follows digital clues to uncover the truth. On the screen, you can see a few different installation options. I highly recommend installing it using pipx. It is, by far, the easiest method, and it completely avoids those annoying dependency errors. Now, if you're more comfortable using standard pip, you can definitely still use that. But if you do, it's strongly recommended that you install it in your user space, or just for the current user. Let's start with the most basic scan. To track a specific target, like John Doe, simply type Sherlock, followed by the username. Now, when you hit enter, don't worry if it takes a few seconds to see the results. The tool is actively pinging over 400 plus social networks, global developer forums, and hidden databases in real time. It's doing a massive amount of heavy lifting behind the scenes to verify if that exact username exists anywhere on the internet. But what if your target uses multiple aliases? You can actually track all of them at once. Just type Sherlock and list the usernames side by side, separated by a single space. Instead of running one scan at a time, this command runs concurrent searches for all those names across the entire global network, saving you a ton of manual work during an investigation. By default, a normal scan will show you every single site it checks, even the ones where the account was not found. That can be overwhelming. To filter out all that noise and only see the positive matches, just add the -- print found flag. This keeps your terminal incredibly clean, and it instantly highlights the exact platforms where the target is currently active. Finally, in any professional OSINT workflow, you must document your evidence. To automatically export your results, use the -- output flag, followed by a file name, like result.txt. Instead of scrolling endlessly through the terminal, Sherlock compiles every discovered URL into a neat, organized text file, completely ready for your final analysis. Sherlock is powerful, but Maigret is one step ahead. Maigret doesn't just look for accounts. He tries to extract additional data from those accounts. Bio, linked accounts, profile photos, everything. You can install it using break system packages if necessary. If any installation errors occur, use that option. Alternatively, you can install it with pipx, which is also acceptable. To run a standard scan, just type Maigret followed by the target's username. While this is running, keep in mind that Maigret works a bit differently than Sherlock. It doesn't just check if an account exists, it actively tries to pull additional metadata, like bio information and linked accounts, from across the web. One of the absolute best features of Maigret is its ability to build visual reports. By adding the -- TML flag, the tool will automatically compile all of its findings into a beautifully organized web page. Instead of reading raw terminal text, you get a clean, clickable dashboard showing exactly where your target is active. If you need to share your findings with a client or attach them to an official investigation file, simply use the -- flag. This converts that massive amount of OSINT data straight into a professional, easily readable PDF document right there in your local directory. Sometimes, scanning thousands of obscure websites takes way too long. If you want to speed up your investigation and only focus on the most popular platforms, you can use the -- top sites flag, followed by a number, like 500. This forces the tool to prioritize high-value targets, getting you actionable intelligence much faster. And finally, just like our previous tool, Maigret allows you to hunt down multiple aliases simultaneously. Just list the usernames side by side, separated by a space. The engine will spin up concurrent searches for all of them, giving you a massive head start on mapping out your target's entire digital footprint. Don't want to mess with the command line? No problem. You can just head over to WhatsMyName.app. This is a highly effective, web-based OSINT search engine. You simply type in your target's username, hit search, and the platform instantly queries hundreds of global sites directly from the cloud. Behind the scenes, it categorizes the results, highlights the active accounts, and gives you direct, clickable links right there in your browser. There is zero installation, and absolutely zero coding required. If you are a beginner looking for quick, actionable intelligence, this is hands down the best starting point. But while it is incredibly fast and convenient, it has its limits. If you want to run a much deeper analysis, extract hidden metadata, or generate automated PDF reports, there is simply no substitute for dedicated terminal tools. So, how much data can one single username actually reveal? Take a look. A simple bio exposes their real name. Photos allow for facial matching. Geotags reveal their exact location, and post timings track their daily routine. You can easily link their secret accounts, and with advanced tools, you can even extract hidden emails and real phone numbers. But there is no need to panic, because right now, I am going to show you exactly how to protect yourself. First, stop using the exact same username across all platforms, and never include your real name or birth year. Next, run a self-audit. Run Sherlock against your own handles to see what is already exposed. Delete your dormant accounts. Lock down your privacy settings. And never use the same profile photo everywhere. This completely breaks reverse image searches. OSINT is a double-edged sword. Understand it, and you are protected. Ignore it, and you remain exposed. The choice is yours. To recap what we covered today, Sherlock for rapid scanning, Maigret for deep reports, and WhatsMyName for quick web searches. We also uncovered how a single username acts as your digital fingerprint and exactly how to secure it. If you learned something new today, drop a like and let me know in the comments. Have you ever searched your own username? Subscribe for more cybersecurity content. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.